Hello, in this video I'm gonna try to show you all camera settings available on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So, first of all, of course, we're gonna open the camera. In order to access the camera settings, we need to press this arrow over here at the top, and then here we have this icon here. So let's go here in order to turn on the camera settings. Over here we have some smart suggestions where we can scan QR codes, and we also have the document scanner. Then we have the auto night mode, which allows the camera to detect the low light conditions while using the photo and portrait modes, so that it improves the quality automatically. We have the motion capture, where we can track motion to minimize blur on the photos of children, pets and other active subjects. We also have the notify about orientation, so we can see the orientation when we take the photo. We have HEIF format. We have the picture quality, which is set to high by default. We have the selfie setting, so we can turn on and off the mirror effect. We have the adjust makeup effects for men, and we also have remove moles option. Then we have the additional shutter that allows us to drag the shutter button up to create an additional floating shutter. We have the Xiaomi Pro Cut feature that allows you to apply smart cropping to improve composition of super resolution images. We have the adaptive telephoto, which switches automatically between main and telephoto lenses based on the distance and brightness. Then we also have some video settings like the image stabilization, automatic frame rate, video encoder, which can be set to H.264 or H.265. We have HDR10+, which can be enabled and disabled, of course, over here. We have the tagging. We can allow tagging videos. Then we also have some general settings like the volume buttons function. We can change what we can do with the volume buttons, so we can use them as a shadow, we can set them as a timer, we can zoom in and out, and we can change the volume of the device. Then we also have the shoot with screen off, so we can turn off screen after 3 minutes of inactivity to save power while recording rectangular or time-lapse videos using timed bursts or long exposure, which is pretty cool feature. We have preserve settings, where we can preserve our settings in the camera for selected options. We have customize, where we can change the feature layout, so over here we can adjust that. And we also have the camera modes. We can switch to more tap or more panel. So if you tap, then we can see how it looks like. And in addition to those settings, we have safe location information. Of course, if you use it, then you need to grant location permissions to the camera. Then we also have the shutter sound, the packet mode, and anti-banding, which is set to auto, or we can turn it off or set it to 50 or 60 Hz. We also can check for updates for the camera. If it's up to date, then of course we can see this information over here, and we can also restore default settings. And of course, in addition to that, if you open this arrow in the camera itself, then we will find a bunch of different options, depending on the mode, of course. So you might find them useful, like for instance the shutter type, where we can tap to take a photo, or we can use a voice shutter, which is pretty cool. We can use grid lines, we have some AI camera functions, we have motion tracking focus, timed burst, and so on and so forth. And if you switch to video, then of course we have some more options, like the option to change the resolution, the frame rate, which is also over here. And we can use the teleprompter, we can change the aspect ratio, we can use steady video, and so on and so forth. We have the movie mode. And over here we also have some, not so much, but still some options. So make sure to check them out in order to either capture the perfect photo or record the perfect video. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.